Hey guys, welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews as well as Quirk Auto Dealers. Today, I am taking a picture of the 2020 Subaru WRX STI. Man, I love these things. 2.5 liter turbo, 6-speed manual, crystal white pearl over black. This one has the short throw shifter, it's the center armrest, and the rear bumper applique. Basically, it protects the rear bumper if you were putting like a guitar in there, and it protects the paint from getting scratched up. Total price as tested, $43,415. Absolutely beautiful Recaro leather. Well, Recaro seats with leather and Alcantara. Before we head inside, let's take a quick peek at the 2.5 turbo. Oh yeah. She's pretty. This is probably my favorite car, Subaru I've driven in quite a long time, so. Oh, I love this thing. All your drive modes, the central differential. Favorite part, red seat belts. Any car with red seat belts is a cool car. Red shift knob. You can see that short throw shifter is very, very short. Getting going, it can be a little finicky at first. I've driven a few of these now, so I'm starting to get used to the clutch. But don't be surprised if you go to test drive one and you stall it. The clutch can be a little finicky the first time you use it. Once you get it down though, it's perfect. Let's see how it does over these bumps. This is a massive speed bump. Don't scrape, don't scrape. Oh. Even though it has rally car heritage, I don't want to scrape it up. What does this thing have? 7 miles on it? That's why you notice I don't really push the cars too much. Of course, I can have some fun, but I'm not gonna sit there and absolutely beat the living crap out of these. That short throw shifter, if you're not used to it, will throw you off. avoid those bumps. Yes, I know, we're having snow tomorrow. I get it. Oh, I love these things with a passion. Why am I blowing so much air? There we go. Oh my goodness, this thing is awesome. I love it. Go around. All in all, I mean, this is miles better than the WRX. I never thought it was worth the extra money. I always just thought, yeah, it's for somebody who has some extra money they're willing to just slap down with no care in the world. But honestly, it is worth it 100%. If you can swing an STI, do it, because it is so much more involved. The WRX is a bit more relaxed, and if you're looking for an automatic, you can get the WRX in a CVT. But if you want an absolute weapon, then the STI is for you. There's just no debate in my mind about the fact that the STI is far superior to the WRX. It's a lot more car. It will beat you up a bit more on daily driving scenarios, but it is worth it. It's a lot rougher of a ride. It's not gonna be as forgiving, but in all honesty, when you're buying a car like this, I thought that was a fish. When you're buying a car like this, you're not looking for a forgiving daily driver. You're looking for something to have a lot of fun with. And this, you can have about as much fun as a 7-year-old at the circus. It's absolutely fantastic. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. I'll see you all in the next one.